Hi there, Jay here with Eskuad. Welcome to Eskuad University. In this video, we'll show you how to download the app if you have an iPhone like me. So if you want to learn how to do it with iOS, we have Enrique here showing you how to do it from the App Store.
In this video, I'll show you how to install the Eskuad app from the App Store for iOS devices. So we'll go to the App Store and then search for Eskuad. Once we find it, we can hit download. Once it's downloaded, we can open it from here, allow your notifications. Then you'll be guided through a quick overview of Eskuad. You can either create an account from here or go to the login. Once you log in, you'll get this automatic updates prompt. If you hit yes please, you will be provided with steps on how to turn on automatic updates. And once you log in, you'll be able to view and fill your forms and see the history of the completed ones.
And there it is. That's how you do it for iOS. Please make sure to like us, comment, share it, and visit our website eskuad.com to learn how to optimize the operational aspects of your business. Cheers!